So we're on the sun deck. Y'all could probably tell because I can't even open my eyes. But it's really pretty out here. It's right over the ocean. And it's windy. This is the room that we have for our private function. It's really nice in there. Okay, so we're at the all-white party for my mother
On the Caribbean cruise.
Hey, they know we're on the cruise.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Yeah.
So this is the all-white party. It's gonna be a toast. I'm not allowed to drink this.
Right, but it will be 20 years, actually 21 secretly. But anyway, it's 20. We're celebrating our 20-year anniversary, so 30 of ourselves and our family members came to celebrate with us, which is like awesome.
And that's what the cruise is about.
And that's
so we're
what
about to
the
have a
cruise is
toast.
about. Yep.
Everyone's over here.
She said she don't like this. We go with too slow. Forget the small change, give me big money wine.
Cheers. So it's dinner time, and this lobster bisque is bomb. Wait, we about to try the duck now. Everybody fiending for this duck. Oh, this is a lot. Where's my fork go? Oh, I don't even have a fork. Oh, thank you. That was a big fork.
Tammy, I'm coming, baby. I'm coming.
You want to taste that?
Tammy.
You want to taste that?
Wait, no, that's good. I didn't think it was gonna be that good. Oh, thank you.
Duck.
That's good. Thank you, Feli. This is what I got at first. I like mixed it up and everything.
For you.
And now I got the duck. Because the duck was hitting. We tasted her duck and we need it. So boom, she got it too. Yeah, so I definitely played myself. I did not eat all that food. There was so much left. She didn't even know if I was done. I had to let her know, like, yeah, no, this is done. Yeah, I left a lot of room for a dessert. What did you get? Carrot cake? Oh, this is a cheesecake.
Carrot cake. Diamond carrot cake.
A diamond carrot cake. That's cute. All right, so we are done with the all-white party. I kept my shirt on, but I changed everything else because we about to go see the water show. My walkie-talkie is going off. Like, I don't even know who's talking. But we're about to go see the water show. This one wants to sleep the whole time. Now she want to get up.
I'm old, so I'm always tired. I don't know how old you guys would guess that I am. But, you know,
Guess in the comments.
So, yeah, write in the comments how old you think I am. Don't try to be funny either. Don't try to get cute. Don't try to, like, come for me. Be realistic.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
So, I mean, I'm tired. Like, once you get my age, you realize, like, any activity that, you know, drains you like that, like, you need to sleep and rest after if you want to continue on with the night. Otherwise,
I just feel like even when I'm tired, I don't be trying to go to sleep because I'm on a cruise and I don't want to miss anything. But
unless y'all have dinosaurs flying across, like, it's nothing that I'm
dead. All right, well, to the water show. We at the water show. I went back and put a sweater on because I felt like it was gonna get cold. So it looks cool. The little setup looks cool though.
Look, you know, we on the Royal Caribbean. It's about to be a little dive show. They finna go all the way from the top. That's like 100 feet up and dive right into the water. It's about to be crazy.
Now, sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed in this production of Oasis of Dreams.